So it's absolutely essential that we get tort reform done, Kermit, and I'll tell you why. Look, as you know, you mentioned, I'm a Navy SEAL conservative outsider coming in, bringing an approach that says at the end of the day, we've got a very clear mission. It's more jobs and higher pay for the people of the state of Missouri. Well, the fact is, St. Louis, Missouri, was recently named by the American Tort Reform Association as the #1 worst judicial hellhole in the country. The state of Missouri is ranked 42nd out of the 50 states because our legal environment is so bad for business. Just the other day, I actually had a CEO in my office who came in and said, we are so glad that you're pushing tort reform. They said, if you weren't elected, we're going to leave the state. Now, since we passed right to work, we've had a lot of businesses that are calling up Missouri because the message was Missouri's open for business. You know, we had the CEO of Auto Alert called us just a couple of days afterwards, and they said, because right to work passed, we're going to bring a headquarters from California to Missouri, over 300 new jobs, average pay over $80,000 per job. But there are a lot of other CEOs in the state of Missouri and around the country who are looking not just at right to work, but they also want to make sure that we've got a fair court system so that our businesses can grow here in the state of Missouri. And that's why it's so important for us to push this. And look, I know that we're coming up against a lot of special interest trial lawyers. But we made it very clear in the campaign and said it again in the State of the State address. We are willing to take on the trial lawyers and anybody who stands between the people of Missouri and quality jobs.